Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a very quick guide on how much you can transfer from Westpac account. You see, you must first of all understand the default ATM limit. The standard daily cash withdrawal limit at Westpac ATMs is about $1,000. Now, it's Australian dollars. You must know the maximum achievable ATM limit also. You see, you can typically increase the daily ATM withdrawal limit up to a maximum of about $2,000. Now, you can also change the ATM limits. You can adjust it securely through Westpac online banking or the Westpac app. You can also withdraw cash at participating bank at post locations with a daily withdrawal limit typically up to 2,000 Australian dollars. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more.